Sikat na basketball player na si Kai Soto ikinasal na sa aktres na si Rere Madrid. Super intimate ang naganap na wedding at sinorpresa nga nila ang kanilang mga fans dahil tahimik ang dalawa bago ang kasalan. Super intimate ang naging seremonya sa kasalan at natuwa ang kanilang mga fans dahil nga finally nakasal na ang dalawa. They are officially Mr. and Mrs. Soto. Ginulat ni Kai Soto at ni Rere Madrid ang kanilang mga tagahanga nang sila ay ikasal. Tahimik lang ang dalawa sa preparation ng kanilang kasalan dahil very intimate ang kanilang kagustuhan. Kaya naman hindi alam ng kanilang mga fans na sila pala ay magpapakasal na. At ngayon ngang kasal na sila ay marami nga ang natuwa. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Sabi nga ng asawa ni Kai Soto na si Rere Madrid, "Even before, pangarap ko na talagang ikasal. I still remember nung 18th birthday ko. Tinanong ako kung anong team ang gusto ko for my debut. And I said, gusto ko parang bride yung vibe. Kasi even back then, alam ko na hindi madaling makahanap ng totoong pagmamahal. That's why I never expected na at 25, ikaw Kai Soto pala yung tutupad sa isa sa biggest dreams ko. Thank you mahal because you made something real that I once thought was impossible for me. Thank you kasi araw-araw mong pinaparamdam sa akin kung gaano mo ako kamahal." Thank you for never letting our relationship fall apart even during the days when everything starts to feel unclear. Thank you for always reassuring me, for building my trust, and for accepting me wholeheartedly. Ang dami pa nating pagdadaanan together. Beautiful moments, hard days, and everything in between. But one thing I promise you is this, habang buhay ko nga hawakan yung kamay mo, no matter where life takes us. Gusto ko tayo pa rin yung magkasamang haharap sa lahat. Ito muna siguro for now, yung iba next time na lang, but I love you even before and I know I'll continue to love you more and more habang buhay. Nagpasalamat nga si Kai Soto at Rere Madrid sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa kanilang dalawa. Dahil napakarami talagang fans ng dalawa dahil isa sa mga sikat na basketball player nga itong si Kai Soto at marami rin ang nagkakakrush sa kanya. At isa naman si Rere Madrid sa isa sa mga magagaling na aktres sa mundo ng showbiz. Dagdag nga sa post ni Rere Madrid, "Still feels unreal that we finally get to call this ours, Mr. and Mrs. Soto. First, we want to thank God for this wonderful blessing we experienced this year. Even though we went through challenges, misunderstandings, and people who tried to break what we had, we still choose to trust each other. Because of that, our relationship became strong, even stronger, together with the love and support of our families. We also want to thank our parents and siblings for being such a big part of this beautiful relationship. Seeing our families become one is truly one of the best feelings in the world. Now we'll continue chasing our dreams together hand in hand. We also want to thank everyone who helped make this beautiful day possible. First, thank you so much to our Mama Pam for all your efforts and everything you did for us. To Nice Print for capturing such beautiful photos and videos, and to Ate Charis for all your help and support throughout everything. To Gideon Hermosa for making our wedding event more beautiful, especially with the stunning flowers. To Juan Carlo Caterer, our wedding wouldn't have been complete without the amazing food. Everything was absolutely delicious. And to our very hands-on coordinators, especially event by Miss P, you're the sweetest. We truly love you. For our cake, honey glaze, very elegant wedding cakes. Forever grateful to China, Mama Wal, and even Tan for making us feel our absolute best on one of the biggest days of our lives. The outfits made everything feel even more special. Marami nga ang sunod-sunod na nagpadala ng congratulatory message sa bagong kasal. Mula kay Basti Poypoy, literal na ginulat ang mundo. Na naman sa tagahanga ni Rere, ginulat mo ang Rere Natics. Congratulations Rere, still ikaw pa rin ang bebe Rere namin. Kami naman nagsasabi na pregnant nga raw itong si Rere, kaya daw nagpakasal. Pero wag tayong mahusga dahil talaga namang mutual nila ang pagpapakasal. Mula sa isa pang tagahanga, congratulations on your wedding day, beautiful bride and gorgeous groom. So happy and excited for you both. You guys look amazing and deserve all the love, laughter, and beautiful memories ahead. Wishing you all the happiness in the world. We love you. Ito nga yung civil wedding na very stunning. Simple lamang ang naging kasalan pero napakabongga ng kanilang event place dahil yan kay Gideon Hermosa. Kay Malikdan, congratulations to you both, Kai Soto and Rere Madrid. May God bless your marriage. Best wishes, Mr. and Mrs. Soto, Rere and Kai Soto. To your infinity and beyond, keep safe always. God bless. Enjoy your new chapter. Your fan, Preggy at Tasha. Pansin ko sa last video, congratulations. Marami nga napapansin na Preggy nga raw itong si Rere Madrid pero wala pa namang confirmation mula sa mag-asawa. Wishing Kai and Rere love, patience, and countless victories together in life. Congratulations.